You can earn £100,000 a year and still feel completely broke. Same income, but completely different outcomes. The difference isn't what you earn, it's what you do next. This is Alex, working hard, earning just enough to get by. No savings, no plan, just trying to stay afloat every month. Money comes in, but it never stays. Bills take their share, and whatever is left disappears quickly. He checks his wallet, hoping something changed, but it's always the same story. Nothing left at the end. Every month feels heavier, more pressure, more stress, and no clear way out. Then something changes. Alex gets a higher salary, finally crossing £100,000 a year. It feels like things will be different now. The new income brings relief at first, a better home, a more comfortable life. Everything looks like progress. The apartment is nicer, the space feels better. For a moment, it feels like success. The lifestyle upgrades begin. A better sofa, a bigger TV, small improvements everywhere. His phone shows a higher number now. The income is strong, and it feels reassuring. But slowly, something shifts again. Expenses start growing quietly in the background. More space, more costs, more comfort, more pressure. It builds without being noticed. The house, the car, everything improves. But the money flowing out grows even faster. The excitement fades. That same old feeling returns. Something still isn't right. He sits again, thinking, how can someone earning this much still feel stuck? The question keeps repeating. Where is all the money going? Then something changes, not outside, but inside. A small shift in thinking begins. Instead of spending everything, Alex decides to keep a part aside, just a small amount, consistently. He puts his first money into something that can grow. It feels slow, almost insignificant. At first, nothing really happens. It feels like nothing is changing, like it's not working. But time passes, quietly, and something begins to build, slowly but steadily. Then suddenly, the growth becomes visible. The same small steps start creating bigger results. Now things feel different. Less pressure, more control, more clarity about money. Time starts to matter more than spending. Life begins to feel lighter, more flexible. Same person, same income, but different decisions. And that changes everything.